If you're building solutions to solve this crisis, stand up. Look around you. We know how difficult it is. All these people are there to help you. Let's congratulate each other that we are all supporting these founders.
Chicago innovation ecosystem, I think it is rapidly growing. The Chicago innovation ecosystem is blooming. It's really in a growth phase.
Seeing Chicago be this nexus of investment, all this energy and also investment dollars are pouring into one area.
I mean, the manufacturing ecosystem here is just terrific. If you want to build, if you want to accelerate, this is the right place to be.
The best thing about mHUB, the relationship with the investors, and that's the biggest benefit of any startup you can have.
I think that there's an upcoming wave of innovation that is creating Chicago like a premier destination for innovation.